2012 Malibu LS, front pads, front rotor. First, let's talk about what not to do. Do not let your vehicle get in this condition right here. What happened in this vehicle, you see this right here, this pad is not there. The reason it's not there is because it was grinded down enough that the rotor snatched the pad off, and you see the leak down there. That comes from the caliper. So we're going to repair this and get it back in working order.